Experiencing a boot loop on your Toyota's infotainment system, where the screen repeatedly restarts, can disrupt navigation and audio functions. This issue primarily affects Toyota models manufactured between 2018 and 2024. The most common causes include software glitches, incomplete updates, and less frequently, hardware faults like corrupted memory. First, perform a hard reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. If the problem persists, a software update is likely needed. To update your Toyota infotainment system, start by visiting Toyota's My Toyota website to download the latest firmware, generally version 2.1.1 or higher for Toyota audio multimedia systems. Download the update file onto a USB drive. Then, plug it into your car's USB port and install the update through the infotainment system's settings menu. Make sure your vehicle remains powered on throughout the entire installation process to avoid interruptions. If the boot loop continues after updates, take your vehicle to a Toyota dealership for professional diagnosis. They can check for hardware problems such as faulty memory chips or connectors that require repair. For persistent software issues, dealers can perform a complete factory reset to restore the system.